Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes. Today I am going to take the class of 10 chapter 2 acid bases and salts as usual. This is the last topic of the chapter, plaster of Paris. What is the plaster of Paris? Also called POP. On heating gypsum, what is the gypsum? Formula of gypsum is CaSO4 into 2H2O. At 373 Kelvin temperature, it loses water molecule and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrated. What is the formula of calcium sulfate hemihydrated? CaSO4 into half H2O. This is called the plaster of Paris. Now let's see the reaction. CaSO4 into 2H2O, that is called the gypsum, heated with 373 Kelvin temperature, and what comes? Copper sulfate into half H2O, that is called the POP or plaster of Paris. Okay, when POP again mixed with water, then it converted into gypsum. Let's see the reaction. Copper sulfate into half H2O, that is called the POP, react with 1.5 H2O and form gypsum again. The formula of gypsum is CaSO4 into 2H2O. So this is the plaster of Paris. What is its uses? It is the substance which doctor use as plaster for supporting fractured bone. When someone has fractured, then doctor use this plaster POP as plaster for supporting the bones. It is also used to making toys, materials and decoration and making surface smooth. So this is the uses of plaster of Paris. This is very simple topic. I repeat again, what is the plaster of Paris? POP. On heating gypsum, what is the formula of gypsum? CaSO4 into 2H2O. At 373 Kelvin temperature, it loses water molecule and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrated. This is called the plaster of Paris. Reaction is CaSO4 into 2H2O heated at 373 Kelvin and form POP, CaSO4 into half H2O. Again, POP converted into gypsum by mixing with water. 1.5 H2O molecules mix with POP and form gypsum. What is its uses? For supporting the fractured bone, making toys, materials and decoration and making surface smooth. So this is the class. Hope you understand very well. You can take a screenshot here and I will give you next video for the NCERT questions. So thank you so much for the watching. This is Surbhi here. Thank you.